back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alana. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. It's the bird sticking up for me. So today we have a V-part wig install. So thank you to UNicehair for sponsoring today's video. UNicehair sent me over this beautiful bob straight V-part wig. It's a bob. Well, it's supposed to be a bob, but it's a pretty long bob. I want this to really be like a short, sophisticated, flowy bob. I'm gonna cut this and hopefully I don't mess it up. First things first, I want to show y'all my leave out. So I want this wig, y'all, to look like my real hair. I mean, that's the goal. That's always the goal, okay? I did part my hair already, so I'm gonna show y'all how I laid my hair down. I already sectioned off the part of my hair where I want my leave out to be. My hair is not straight, y'all, so I'm gonna have to put like a good amount of heat on my hair. I have to get my leave out bone straight, or else the wig is not gonna look good, you know? The leave out is going to make or break this hairstyle. Start by using the combs in the front, and this is how we're going to secure this wig on our head. So let's do that. As you guys can see, I'm just going to follow where I parted out my leave out, and I'm just going to clip my comb right where my part is. Really long. That's why I said I'm going to cut this hair, because it's not, right now it's not giving bob to me. It's giving awkward length. What I think I'm gonna do is straighten out this wig first, and then I'm gonna work on my leave out, because the leave out, like I said, is gonna be the most important part. I'm going to plug in my flat iron, and we're gonna situate this hair. So I'm gonna straighten it first, and then I'm gonna go in and cut it, and it's gonna give bob. Actually, I think I should do my leave out first. I don't want to cut the wig too short, and then when I straighten out my leave out after, it's gonna be like awkward. I think I'm gonna do my leave out first, and then I'm gonna work on cutting the wig, because I need this to be even. But I don't think my hair would be that too bad if I was to cut it though. You know, I just don't want to cut it too short and then my hair is just awkward, just awkwardly there, you know? I just did my roots mainly. That's where I was focusing my hot comb on, and I think it came out pretty good so far. I don't really know what the top really looks like. I know I obviously have to blend it a little more, because you guys can obviously see my hair is really frizzy right now. Now what I'm gonna do is go in with my flat iron, and I'm gonna get this as, like I said, bone straight as I possibly can, and we're gonna situate this wig, because right now it's looking a little crazy. You gotta trust the process. Alright you guys, here's the final look. I really hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below. Love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. And thank you again to UNicehair for sponsoring today's video.